In Tempe, Surgeon General Vivek Murthy came to visit ASU.
He was here as part of his, quote, "We Are Made to Connect" tour. This happened earlier this week. Cronkite News reporter Adriana Gonzalez Chavez was there, and she tells us about the message Murthy had for college students.
About 4 in 10 students say they persistently feel sad or hopeless. And about 1/3 of students say they struggle with their mental health, according to CDC research from 2021.
I believe that unfortunately social media, while it's been helpful to young people in some ways, far too often it has actually made young people feel even more isolated and has shredded their sense of self-esteem as they've constantly compared themselves to others online. But we've also seen that loneliness is being, I think, amplified in part by the experience young people had during COVID-19.
At the ASU Tempe campus, Surgeon General Murthy tackles this problem by guiding students on how they can incorporate more moments of connections into their daily lives.
Well, the good news about rebuilding social connection in our communities is that we all have a different role that we can play. As individuals, we can spend 15 minutes a day reaching out to people we care about. We can give people the benefit of our full attention by putting our devices away when we're engaging with one another. That helps deepen social connection.
During the event, Emma Broyles, also known as former Miss America, shares her own struggles with mental health and says being open about her story is important.
Being able to see yourself in somebody else is enough to make you feel like you're not alone.
Talking about her struggles with anxiety can be a point of strength, Broyles says.
Taking away that stigma and making people feel like their emotions are validated and that their experiences are valid and that it doesn't have to be a horrible thing. Every experience, good or bad, is a notch in your belt that can allow you to connect with somebody else.
Dr. Murthy also recommends that workplaces incorporate practices that help employees feel more connected to one another. In Phoenix, Adriana Gonzalez Chavez, Cronkite News.